Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make dagojiru. Japanese people eat lots of soybeans, which is edamame. In the United States, usually frozen one is the most popular. In Japan, not so many frozen edamame is on sale. More likely they have shell, and it is summer food, so usually around the spring to summertime is most likely sell in the store with shell. So this must have raw soybeans with shell, because frozen one is already cooked and it doesn't work if you want to use frozen one. This is my mom peeling edamame. My parents make rice and miso soup every morning. So she's doing this for night before for next morning breakfast. This is popular to buy this way with shell and raw. I am not living in Japan anymore, so I don't know the recent trend, but it is very common not to see already peeled raw edamame selling in the store. After I shoot this video, I sit and help my mom peeling edamame, and this is a good time to talk to my mom. We talk lots of things. Now leaving in the water overnight. Now you can see other shell, which now I showing that that is coming out from edamame pea, which we call skin. Like if you rub your hand or the finger, you can take off those skin easily. So to do so, you have to leave in the water overnight. And you take off all those skins. And from here, my dad making miso soup, and now his job is every morning he's making everybody's miso soup and rice. So he's preparing now, put edamame in the blender and blend it. But before doing so, he's already making or made miso soup. this is raw edamame juice, so you have to pour and cook after you pour into the miso soup pot. He said don't mix with it, but you have to watch and possibly adjust the heat, otherwise it's gonna boil over and overflow the pot. So this is how it's look like, and I love the texture and taste because this is just like a foam and very soft and very fluffy. So this is how to make a dagojiru, and I hope you enjoy my video today. If you like my YouTube video, please thumbs up and also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.